name's Jake and I own HO Autoworks. We specialise in the modification of air-cooled cars. When I was 14 I was looking at getting my first car. My dad and granddad always had air-cooled Volkswagens and they sort of pushed it on me, and ended up getting me a project car for Christmas that year, which we restored together and built up, had it painted, bagged it with the help from Limebug, and went on from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 11, 12. Since then we've had about 10, 12 Beetles come in, and a few have left before restoration, and a few we're still working on, and a few are on the road. This car is a 1952 Zwitter, which is a 6-month only production. It's a changeover year from split Beetle to oval, so it's got some oval features and some Zwitter only features. This car was found in a scrapyard in Berlin a long time ago and came into the country about 20-25 years ago. Got handed round and sold, had a lot of owners in the UK before anyone touched it, and then we finally got it and built it into this. When we got the car, it was actually rattle canned like a ruby red, and we spent some time scratching it off and thinners in the paint and getting it back to this underneath. It was a gamble because we didn't actually know it was black underneath, and it paid off. So Limebug supplied us with most of the brake parts, a lot of engine parts, some panels, some lower end parts like drop spindles and the drop plates on the rear, shocks. So the engine in this car is a 1641 twin carb, just a turnkey engine that we bought, and straight in the car, job done. Interior is original Zwitter, but not from this car. The 2 front seats are from 2 different cars. The rear door cards are from a different car, and the front door cards are from another car. Just sourced all the bits and put it all together. Since we built the car, it's had a few different sets of wheels. These are the latest ones we've put on it. SA Sprints from South Africa. Had the rears banded to 8.5J, I think. And yeah, it sits really nice.